My name is Josh Irabor and I'm buying assistant for the cleaning and hygiene category. Here at Greenham, we have a wide variety of products that can be used for specialist hygiene areas and also general public areas depending on the customer's usage. We offer a wide variety of products such as paper, chemical equipment and also mops to help our customers with their working environment and their public areas. We allow our customers to do all their chemical cleaning and hygiene needs with us. So rather than using 5-6 suppliers, we work as a single distributor. And through offering such a wide variety of range, our customers are sure to find what they need with us. We work with leading brands and adhere to legislation, so we're in constant communication with the brands to ensure that we offer the best products we can, the safest products we can to serve our customers. One benefit of Pristine being manufactured in the UK is that we reduce unnecessary pollution by cutting out unnecessary transportation. In addition to this, at Greenham we are proud that our Pristine paper products have Fsc Accreditation. We have an effective and transparent framework for accreditation. This looks into the manufacturing process to reduce harmful chemicals that can go into the product. We also look at the packaging of the product to make sure that it is as eco-conscious as possible. In our Cleanline Eco range, our bottles are made from recycled materials, and also we have easy to remove labels so that both items can go into the relevant recycling streams. In our Clean Works cloth range, we have reduced plastics in the packaging and we have an ongoing process to reduce this further in the range. So our range and consolidation abilities allow our customers to focus on their core competencies and their business. So at Greenham we deal with what we call our core range. And our core range is products we purchase the most and also our most popular products amongst our customers. And through dealing with these core ranges so frequently, it's allowed us to build up strength in pricing and strength in delivering. Because these are items which we buy in frequently and it tends to be in large quantities, we tend to have strong pricing on them. And also we have great relationships with our customers, which allows us to become a reliable supplier to our customers further in the change. Also, we look out for innovation. So we're constantly on the lookout for innovation technology to offer our customers new products, which will have them ahead of the market and to keep their workplace and environment safe and clean for their workers. Great value for money over here at Greenham is the 5-litre concentrates which we sell in the Cleanline range. The storage benefits means that customers in the 5-litre get vastly more product for use than the ready-to-use bottles that you would normally see in supermarkets, for example. Cost in use is substantially lower than the ready-to-use bottles, and customers have faith that the product is suitable for use for their required needs. The idea of well-being through safety is very important to us here at Greenham. We understand that hygiene is a very important part of our employees' well-being, which is why over here at Greenham, one of our biggest offerings is we try and make sure we offer items that keeps the general space and also the working space suitable for use and hygiene for our customers. So that's employees, visitors, no matter who it is, feel safe in the environment that they're going into. So here at Greenham, we pride ourselves on sourcing market-leading goods for general usage and also industrial usage. Being a one-stop shop at Greenham, it allows our customers to shop with us for items that could be used for projects or even visitors just visiting for the day. So here at Greenham, we have occupational skincare products, which include pre-work skin conditioners and after-work skin conditioners. And the benefits of having a skincare regime serves against skin disease, occupational sickness, and the spread of germs within the workplace. One of the biggest ways Greenham helps our customers with compliance is through the safety data sheets available on our website, or if you ask a member of staff. We also have technical specification sheets our customers can use, and both these items together can be used for their risk assessments and cost regulations in the workplace. So one of our biggest offerings at Greenham is the ability to offer products which are up to date with relevant cosmetic regulations. And these products are through our EB range, which is our exclusive brand range, and also our branded items. And through the points mentioned previously, we believe our customers have full confidence that they are purchasing appropriate, effective and legal products throughout our range. One advice I give our customers is that whether you need sacks, papers, disinfectants, or anything within the cleaning and hygiene range, you can have full faith in Bunzl to offer you compliant and effective and market-leading products to help your employees and your visitors stay safe in the working environment.